Would you believe it if you hear someone say that you can earn $100 a day? Or that you can earn $100 a day in the comfort of your own home? Seems unthinkable. But do you know this is actually possible and attainable? Luckily for you, Crypto Clipper, we found a way for you to achieve this. So if you are curious about this just as we are, stay with us until the end of this video. Remember that while the first step is completing any of these amazing courses, the second and possibly more important step is taking action, even if it's an imperfect action. Let's dive headfirst into how to earn $100 a day with Coinbase. Coinbase Global Incorporated is an American company that operates a cryptocurrency exchange platform and has been around since 2012. Coinbase operates via remote work and lacks a physical headquarters. It is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States by trading volume. The company was founded by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ersham in 2012. This platform allows you to buy, spend, and trade cryptocurrencies of your choice, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. With over 89 million users and $278 billion in assets. Coinbase is an easy-to-use platform for newcomers who want to buy or sell a few cryptocurrencies with ease. Users who are interested in more advanced features or want to trade on margin can only use Coinbase Pro, which is available to standard Coinbase users. Cryptocurrencies are a new, controversial investment that can be risky and volatile. However, Coinbase is an excellent option for both novice investors and more experienced traders. The biggest advantage of Coinbase is that it's a super easy way to get started. However, they have fairly high fees, and you have to verify your identity with KYC laws. Coinbase is also really easy to set up. Just like signing up for any banking or investing app, they'll ask for your name, email, password, as well as a two-step authentication information to make sure you are who you claim to be. Don't worry, everyone has to do this in order to use the app. One biggest disadvantage, on the other hand, is if Coinbase ever gets hacked. When they lose the cryptocurrency in your wallet, you will be compensated, but that's only temporary. When the website is out of commission, you'll have to figure things out on your own. With all the security benefits of keeping digital assets in a cold wallet, in addition to knowing who owns what tokens, it's important to know what ownership means for your digital assets and understand how physical hardware wallets work. Now that we already know the basics about Coinbase, let's proceed to how we can start making $100 per day using Coinbase. There are tons of videos out there giving bad advice and wrong information that is flat out wrong. So we're going to give you the step-by-step blueprint on how to make money from your investment today. If you enjoy these video tutorials on how to make money online, then stick around for more. Now, what you want to do first is go onto your homepage and notice that you can get $50 in free crypto if you set up recurring buys. Set up the recurring buy right there and get $50 in your account. Once you do that, invest it into Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency. And if you have time, well enough, you'll see that you'll get a higher return on your investment. If you go into the tab, there are Coinbase rewards. You'll see that it correlates landfill availability with money earnings from cryptocurrencies through different altcoins. With Coinbase rewards, you can find different ways to actually stake your crypto. It's basically like a savings account for your crypto, earning interest on whatever amount you invest. Cosmos is 5%, Tasers is at 4.63%, DAI is 2%, and the USD coin is at 15%. With the USD coin, you'll get a better rate. This is considered as a stable coin. There are also other exchanges that offer 12 to 15%, but don't even consider doing this with Coinbase, as there are other platforms and exchanges. Another tip that we can give you is to take advantage of the Learn program, which is on Coinbase. The Coinbase Earn is a great resource for navigating through the confusing world of crypto. with many simple lessons of cryptocurrency, completing a class awards members with free crypto, which makes it easy for you to make some money. Despite slight changes to reward structure and platform adoption, earning $100 each month is still achievable but difficult. Since right now, they've definitely lowered the amount just because a lot more people are taking advantage of it. Remember, the amount you make on certain days is unpredictable. There will most probably be days where your earnings are $100. There will be days where you make $500. And sometimes, even in your portfolio, there may be months with big losses. So it really depends on what the market is doing and how well your portfolio is diversified. You may also do a lot of trading on other exchanges such as Binance, Gemini, and crypto. If you have Coinbase Pro, you may put another portion of your portfolio there. This may be one of the main portfolios that you can use to store your Bitcoin. So really, when you start using Coinbase, you can take advantage of all the free incentives they offer on their platform. Disclaimer: doing these methods mentioned above won't make you $100 per day, but they're a great start to earning some free money and also learning how cryptocurrencies work. If you are serious about making consistent income of your investment, the first thing you need to know is how to invest with cryptocurrency. Here's the secret. The key to making successful investments is to have an initial investment of your own. So people who borrow money or invest while borrowing money, and those who invest without any personal capital, use debt or margin investing strategies to profit off the market. Although this sounds great, there are those who are burned in these situations, especially if the market doesn't go up. It is generally recommended for beginners to start saving their money in a diversified portfolio rather than direct investments, as these risky algorithms have gotten more and more popular. Honestly, it would take a while to make your first $100 a day, even if you were aiming to earn it online. Having some initial capital will go a long way, as well as learning to pick up a side hustle, learning how to manage your finance, budgeting a small portion of the money, and slowly investing in recurring investments. The latter is also known as dollar cost averaging in certain cryptocurrencies. Now, before we talk about which cryptocurrency you should invest into dollar cost averaging, let us first break down the concept of DCA. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. Bitcoin currently rests at $55,907 as of the time of this recording, and it could be a bit risky to invest before seeing how the value fluctuates. More specifically, Bitcoin is difficult to predict, especially for someone new to investing. There is something required of patience that might take its toll on your psyche after an extensive experience. The best strategy to combat that and to focus on the more important aspects like researching and understanding cryptocurrency fundamentals is averaging in. You can put money in regularly enough or know how much you want to invest. For example, if you want to get started with dollar cost averaging into your investment, all you have to do is pick a consistent time of day, week, or month, and know how much money you want to put in there. Make a recurring purchase of your trading strategy each month, or create your own custom trading strategy and deposit just a bit into your account with Coinbase. Then use the tactics given in order to earn money on the market. So here's the argument. Many people will say that it's way too late for now and that we are already at an all-time high. But actually, it isn't true, because there's always a bull run where Bitcoin goes up then falls back to its starting point. You've seen that happen with 16,000 then falling back at 12,000 before having a new bull run. Sadly, some people in the world of cryptocurrency are influenced more by emotions than facts and figures. The price of Bitcoin has always been considered too high for the average consumer to invest. However, if you have your finger on the pulse of the industry and have a grasp on the principles and fundamentals, it is still very early and cryptocurrencies are on their way up. So to answer the question on how to make $100 per day using Coinbase, invest your money in Coinbase and hold on to it. Don't look at the investments. Let your money grow over time. It may not be $100 every single day passed, if that was a living wish for everyone to make such a large sum of money. But there are just some days and some months when cryptocurrencies do go down in value. That's completely normal for dollar cost averaging to cut out those fluctuations. But another thing you can do is invest in different kind of cryptocurrencies rather than just sticking with Bitcoin. Actually, many of the coins have fallen into low market prices, but we see that coins like Dogecoin have increased in value by 24%. So there are some coins that move opposite to the direction of the overall crypto market. Right now with Dogecoin, we have so many retail investors coming in that it is creating a different effect that you would normally expect from ordinary coins on the market. Now, some of the coins that we recommend you look into, which is Bitcoin, is always going to be on our top list. Chainlink is another one, but we can't necessarily say that Dogecoin is a good financial investment. Investing in Dogecoin can be a profitable decision. Prices have risen by as much as 40. This estimation applies to a coin with a market cap now at more than $50 billion, surpassing most financial institutions. Goldman Sachs, IBM, and many others can be found on the list of companies surpassing Doge's value. And Dogecoin has no fundamentals and no intrinsic value. It is simply being pumped up right now to the moon because of people realizing that Dogecoin is the coin for everyone. There is some social value behind this, and understanding that as more is invested into it, naturally the price will go up. Other cryptos with good fundamentals have a higher chance of increasing in value because of what they bring to society, or what can be derived in investing in them. So keep in mind that the other crypts might increase in value in the long run. To sum this up, it is not too bad to start building your investment portfolio with the cryptocurrency industry slowly, as long as you won't have to pay anyone or join any type of mentorship. You'll thank us later when your initial investment has brought you a lot more money, and we hope many beginners who watch this video will end up very rich in the future. That's it for this video, Crypto Clipper. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you on the next one.